This is the periodic table. If you look at it, you notice under the transition metals that you see number 40 on the periodic table is zirconium. Some of the questions that Dr. Luettmann gets asked frequently is, what's the difference between zirconium and zirconia? And there's confusion about it. Could you please explain that to the audience?
Yes, of course. As we know from school, this is a chemical system, it's a chemical table. And we have different groups here. One of the groups is here, also metals. This group contains, for example, natrium. And we have here also another group with metals. And on this side, we find fluoride, chloride. These are gases, halogenides. And if we have a reaction between natrium and chloride, it will getting natrium chloride. And natrium chloride is salt. And nobody will tell us that salt it's a metal. Salt is a different group. So it's the same with zirconium. Zirconium is a metal, definitely it's a metal. But the reaction of zirconium with oxygen made it to zirconium dioxide. Zirconium dioxide is completely different to zirconium. It's anymore no metal. It's in ceramic, completely ceramic. So you can't compare and say that it's metal anymore. It's the same also with rust. If you have a car and this car is produced by steel, and the steel makes a reaction with oxygen, it will be rust, and rust is no metal anymore. So it's also completely different. If you have this view on the chemical reactions of every material, it will completely change these characteristics through this process.
That's why this product is so wonderful, because you can actually have a non-metal product that's safe, that's effective. You can use it in somebody's mouth. It doesn't off-gas. There's no chemicals. There's no metals. You don't have to worry about the patient having problems with the implant. That's why we like it. So, great question. Thank you so much for all your hard work. Thank you for your training in ceramics. Thank you for your gifts and talents that you have brought to this country in helping us learn how to implement a health, effective, safe material for patients that will help us for years to come.
Thank you for being here, and we know that the dentistry can change life, and we are doing everything to give the patients a better life in the future.